Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gloriously modern 2-story, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale. It also comes with helper's quarters. If you need a upscale home, this house is exactly what you're looking for. This property boasts a breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea and is located in a gated development in Cove, Hanover. The view is like any other. This house has 2 extra water storage tanks, sliding balcony doors, jacuzzi in master bath, double car garage, and spacious yard to host any gatherings. The land area is 0.5 acres. Call now to get your piece of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $700,000, or Jamaican $107.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.